still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks. Still ain't ran out of no drink in my cup. Still ain't ran out of no gas in my butt. I still need more than enough. I still got bitches more than the fuck. I still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks.
Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? It's your boy Jovenel back here again with the RX 8. I don't even know what we're gonna do, but I did get the starter, so we're gonna be installing this right now. Well, I can't show you guys a tutorial on how to install this starter because it's already out. So looking at other videos, I do need the negative, I call it the negative harness because that's where all the negative ground goes to on the motor. That you're gonna need to disconnect it from here, and the copper wire, the copper bolt or whatever, you're gonna have to take these off. But alright, so like I said, there's not much to it right now because I don't have the negative harness, so all we have to do is just put it in there. So this right here are the engine mount brackets, and they are in good condition as I'm looking at them, but I'm gonna just go to extra precaution and just buy the BHRs, which I already did. After what I did was I took the negative harness and I started connecting where everything goes. I got the starter perfectly in now. This one right here goes right over here. Then you go up, you work your way up. This goes all the way to the alternator. So over here I just need to get the bolt, tighten that up. This right here goes into this AC motor. This goes into the fuse box, the fuse panel. This one, I don't know where that goes yet, but pretty much done. So one thing I'm going to be doing is putting the gold heat shield on here since it's like close to the motor or whatever. So I'm gonna put some heat shield right there. And so this is the gold heat shield that I use all around the motor that a lot of people have been giving me shit about, but like I said before, I really didn't think this product worked. I don't know if it works, to be honest. Apparently it works since everybody was giving me a lot of shit about putting it all around the engine bay. But it's my engine. I do what the fuck I want to do with it. So I'm gonna be putting this on some of the negative harness. Alright people, so I'm basically done with the engine. I used this gold heat shield to protect the wires, even though it really didn't need it. I'm just trying to be extra. Alright people, so I'm gonna give you guys an update of the car. This is what the engine bay looks like. I cleaned it up, put all the bolts and screws in the right places. It's basically ready for the engine to go inside. I made sure everything that was in the way, I moved it, and everything is basically, I'm 100% ready for the engine to go in. I got washer fluid, premix ready. All the hoses that need to be in the right places are ready. I got the gold heat shield on the negative harness, so sorry if you guys can't see the rest because I'm not gonna move it, but I got the pulley in, the OMP, I got me oil catch can, which I'm waiting until I put the motor inside the car. All the white coolant hoses are in. This engine is pretty much ready to be put inside of the car. That's my update. This is my engine. Ready. It is fucking ready. And I'm so ready. I can't wait to fucking start this motor up. Like, rotary is my passion. After I drove this car for the first time, I fell in love with it. Had it for 7 years. 4 years it's been down. And I've been going through a lot past couple of years, and I was able to get some money. And now look at me. Motor, car, the hood is, the engine bay is ready. So I hope I inspire people that looking to sell their RX-8, but you can find a motor and, you know, do it yourself. If you guys need any help, I have my rotary friends and I have myself, which didn't know anything about removing an engine out of a car. Well, I didn't remove it out the car. The engine was already out of the car. So look at me. I'm dirty as hell. So there's the motor. It's ready. It's ready. So it's your boy Jovenel. Peace. See you on next video. Next video, hopefully I have everything to start the motor up. Okay? Peace.